now. Number 2 is XYZPrinting da Vinci Pro 3D printer. In today's ever-evolving world of technology, finding the perfect 3D printer that won't break the bank can be quite an adventure. But fear not, because the XYZPrinting da Vinci Jr. 1.0A Pro is here to save the day. Packed with incredible features and a jaw-dropping price tag, this gem is the best 3D printer under $200 that will unleash your wildest creative fantasies. But the excitement doesn't end there. This printer boasts advanced extruder technology, allowing you to experiment with many materials. From PLA to tough PLA, from XYZcarbon fiber to metallic PLA, your creations will have the strength and flair to mesmerize the world. Forget about tedious calibrations and frustrating setups. The Da Vinci 1.0A Pro has a frustration-free auto-calibration system, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free printing experience. Say goodbye to wasted time and hello to effortless precision. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.